Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk about email templates in Expiration Reminder. So you can find when Expiration Reminder starts sending notifications, it will pick up a specific email templates depending on the reminder frequency. So let's have a look at the email templates. So if I click here on settings, I'm going to go here to templates and let's click on email templates. So by default, when you create an account, you will have 3 email templates in your account. You will have the after expiration date, the before the expiration date, and the on the expiration date. Before the expiration date is the one that is sent, of course, before the document is about to expire. On the expiration date is the one that is sent on the day that the document expires. And after expiration date is the one that is sent after the expiration date. Okay? So by default, you will have these 3 email templates. All accounts have them, and you cannot delete them because they are the default ones. But you can create more, or you can edit the defaults. So to edit the default, you just click on the link here. Okay, and here you can edit the subject of the email, and you can change the body of the email. Okay, so in the body of the email, you can change please contact HR. For more information. So you can change it as you need. You can add bold here, some styling, some colors you can change. So it's a very flexible editor for your templates. Okay, so you can also save it and you can send test email. So if you click here on save and send test email, it will save it and send you a test email in your own email, so you can see how the item looks like. And when you click on save test email, it will ask you for an expiration. So you can choose an expiration date here. So it will use that to fill out the variables. We're going to talk about variables in a different video. But for now, keep in mind that you have these 3 email templates that are set up in your account. And those are the default ones. And you can change them as you need. Okay? But let's talk about another thing. So how email templates can be configured. So, and why would you like to create new email templates? So you can create new email templates by clicking on here, email template, put in a name, subject, and the body of the email again. Okay. So when you create custom email templates, what's going to happen is I'm going to show you. So let's go back now to my account here. Let's click on document types. And in document types, let's pick one of these. Let's pick ACLs. Okay, perfect. So when you go to the reminder section, okay, and you can see the reminders over here, you can see that I have, for this one, I have a 60 days, 30 days, 15 days, 5 days, and 1 day reminder. Okay, and by default, it's using the default email template here. Okay, when it says the default email template, because this is before the expiration date, it will use that before the expiration date reminder. That's what default template means. But I can change it. Meaning if I create a new email template, or I created a new email template, I can just go ahead and pick up that email template that I just created and use it here. Okay, and I can say, for example, then on this day it's gonna use this email template, and on this day it's gonna use this email template. So you have that flexibility, okay, of choosing what email template to use when the system is sending those notifications. And this is by day, okay? You can configure it by the day that the reminder goes out. But you also have this option here, this tab of email templates, where you can choose what will be the default email template before the expiration date, on the expiration date, and after the expiration date. Same idea, is using the default, but you can choose a specific one for that you wanted to use. So if you choose one here, then it means that when a notification is sent for this document type, it will use this email template, unless there is a custom one already defined here. So these templates that you choose here override the ones that you have chosen here. Okay, so keep that in mind. The ones that you choose over here override the ones that are configured over here. So if you want, you can keep this as default and then only come here into the tab of email templates and then choose only those to be sent for that. Okay, so you can set up email templates at the document type level. And what it means if you set it up at the document type level is that when you create a new expiration item with that document type, it will inherit that reminder frequency and it will inherit those email templates. Okay. But you can also customize email template at the expiration item level. Okay. So I'm going to go to expirations here. I'm going to click on view record here. Okay. And here at the bottom, you're going to see that I can set up the reminder frequency for a specific expiration item. And in this expiration item, I can choose also what email template I want to use. So now I am in the actual expiration item. It doesn't matter what document type I have at this point, because now I can override it at the expiration item. We recommend that you keep at least, if you're going to modify the email templates, keep it at least at the document type level. So every document type follows that email template on reminder frequency. You can choose to change things at the expiration item level, but then you have to remember what you changed and what you didn't change, right? To keep that. So thanks. This is email templates. If you have any questions, feel free to leave out a comment, and remember to subscribe to keep getting videos like this. Bye.